Yes. So when you can't concatenate two tables that have a common variable name. So when you have a common variable name, you cannot merge them. It will show the default, it will show duplicate variable error. So for that, you have to use the join command, which merges the two tables using any variable has the same name as the key variable. So whenever you want to merge the join tables, which is going to have a common data, you have to use the command join. So see here, I'm loading this player data. The player data is having these two player info and top players. So now I'm going to merge these two things into a single table. So see here, see the first task, combine top players with players info and saved data in top players. So top players equal to join of, I'm going to merge top players, comma, player info. I'm going to merge this into a single team. Now we'll submit and see the answer. Yes, it is merged. I'll show you the team. It will be very clear. Eric Contona, 24th May. And Eric Contona forward. See here, Eric Contona forward, 24th May. So the MATLAB will take the job of aligning the table if you use the join command. So when there is a common column between the two tables, you cannot just like that use square brackets and join the tables. Then you have to use the join command. So in that case, MATLAB will take the responsibility of merging the aligning the data of the tables along one single particular that column. Whichever column is common, MATLAB will take the responsibility of aligning data pertaining to that column. So we have got the answer right. There is another variable in the workspace called active years. Okay, so the join function. So try to join active years with top players and store the result in active years. Same way, I'm going to use one more join command. Join of active years, comma, top players. We'll check the answer. Yes. So see here, active years is also the starting year and ending year is also added to your table. Okay, is it clear? The table is furthermore expanded. I think it is clear, right? The same way, similar to join, you have inner join, outer join, and all those several types of joins are available with tables. Maybe you can have a look at them when we explore more course going forward. Now, quiz. Yes, say me the answer. I'm waiting for your answer. A, B, or C. So the following, which of the following commands will add manager and manager hire date variables from the team info table to the EPL table? I'm going to add manager and manager hire date data to the EPL table. Which of the command will do that? A, B, or C? Fast, fast. I need the answers. Please interact. I need the answers. A, B, or C? Whenever you're going to merge two tables that is going to have a common column, which command you will be using? Whether you will blindly join or you will use the join command. I want the answer. Do it fast. Type the answers. We'll go with B. I think B will throw an error. Yes. What should be the answer? B is wrong because there is a common column called team, right? When you have a common column, I told you cannot use square brackets for joining a team. A also will throw an error, I suppose, because there is no command we have seen joining a team using squares, curly brackets. So the option is C. Because when you use join command, it is implicitly understood that you have a common column between the two tables. Whenever you see a common column, definitely blindly you have to use the command join because you cannot make mistakes, but MATLAB will join the tables correctly for you. Okay. Now, how to combine tables? So we have this. Again, we are going back to the Premier League, English Premier League points table.